Namaste, Jai Gurudev. Welcome to Hope 18. This is Professor Vijay Kumar Jairam with you. This channel is exclusively built to provide you infotainment, education, and all the skills that you need to make your life successful. So don't forget to give a like, comment, and do subscribe the button below. This edition, what I'm going to interact with you is on a very fundamental, basic, fundamental aspects pertaining to yoga, yogam, vedam, anmigam. I've used many words, but do keep coming along with me. All your doubts will get clarified. Today being an auspicious day, and since I'm addressing the world for the first time on yogam, yoga, all aspects of spirituality, I would like to begin with a Guru Vandanam, an ode to the masters or the great gurus. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sachat Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Guruve Namaha. See, the idea of the channel is not to convert you into a saint. The idea of this channel, or the very fact that I have come, is to make you get the very best of your life. Live life king size. In Tamil we say, Vaalga Valamudan. Perum Valathudan, வாழ்வதற்காக இந்த சேனல் வந்து நாங்கள் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். முதல்ல the first aspect வந்து யோகம், யோகா. நான் ஆக்சுவலாக வந்திருக்க மாட்டேங்க. I would not have come, I would have carried on, or even my other colleague would not have come. But seeing the kind of web coups, the information attacks, the changes that is happening, the right information is not reaching. See, I have been into yoga and yogic practice right from the age of 6 years. I have gone through several streams, and at a certain point in my life when I felt I am a Siddhi practitioner, I have attained a very great level, knowing all the forms of pranayama. I'm telling you an anecdote. My guru, who used to take me on regular trips to Sabarimala. So I told my guru, once we were having a discussion, and I said, Gurunatha, there are 7 types of pranayama and 5 types of breath which is inside. I will explain. Just come along. Don't worry. Some of the terms I will come and explain all the terms. Don't worry. This video will be there. You can watch for 10 minutes. We will divide it. There are going to be a lot, hundreds of videos are going to come out, and all the truths are going to be exposed. So just stay with us. So my guru said, oh, what are the pranayamas you do? And I said, we have the Sukha pranayama, which the North say Vilom, Anuvilom, taken to the left, let's release. You know that. Okay. I'm cutting short things. Left to right, right to left. Okay. Then we have Bastrika, the short breaths, take a full deep breath, let out. Then Kapalabhati, Kapalabhati, all that. Then Sheetal. So I said there are 7 types and there are more. So then he asked one question. By that time, I had attained certain, I felt I had attained certain levels of competency. He said, what about this pranayama? Aren't you doing this? Just watch what he did. I'm going to repeat it for you. Next, he went to so he was just doing one nostril. And I said, Gurunatha, what is this? This is not the one. You take him through the left and release it through the right, and I tried. He didn't say anything. He was a very senior person. And let me tell you, I will show his pictures also in the subsequent videos. He showed the Almighty God to me. And when I recollect and tell you this instance, you will know that I am speaking the facts, scientific facts. He showed me. He showed me. And my life changed ever since the day he showed me. So I got this doubt. Let me come back to the story. So I got this doubt. What is this one nostril? So I went through my books, Maharishi's books is there, Dr. Sivananda books, so many books are there. I went to go and I laid my hands on one ancient book where I found that the basis of this is the first step. Because when you practice pranayama, you have to do it under an apt guru. And that is what I learned, that in Tamil we have a saying, Kattradu kaimanalavu, kalladadu ulavgalavu. That means what we have learned is only a handful of sand, and what we have not yet learned is the whole world. The fact is, now look at our system. Our system has, if you take our brain, there's a left side and the right side of a brain, right? Everything has, a positive and a negative. North pole, south pole. We call it as the duality. So even if you go to the Chinese பக்கம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா the Taoism கூட சொல்லுவாங்க, அந்த black white Taoவே வந்து ஒரு பக்கம் வந்து yin, இன்னொரு பக்கம் வந்து yang அப்படின்வாங்க. Tao. And the word Tao went from Tamil Nadu. It's a Tamil word. Tavam இருக்கிறாரு அப்படின்னும். So he is in Tavam. So Tavam became Tao. Whether you accept it or not, this is my 30 years of research. Okay. So, see, in our body, we have, just when we have glands with duct, we have ductless glands. Okay. If you have a lung on this side, we have a heart on the other side. So there is a duality. There is a male and a female. So when you come into the prana is energy, life form, breath. The left side is called as Ida, or in Tamil Siddhar Bani, we say Idagala. The right is the solar nadi or the sun. It is called as Pingala or Idagala, Pingala. So by default, what happens is we have a left and a right. If you look at our body parts, this has a left, this has a right, but mouth only one. I will come to that later. But there's something called as a third nadi, which is called as the Shushma nadi. Shushmana, which they say from the base, it goes through the spine, up. Now, let's take a small pause. We are already in yoga. We are already in yogam. நம்ம யோகத்துல இல்லைன்னா இந்த போகம் இந்த வாழ்க்கையில இருக்க மாட்டோம். Fact is, there is already a Shushma Nadi that is working. If the Shushmana is not working, if our Idagala, Pingala and the Shushmana is not working, there is no life. Therefore, what is this yoga practice? Why do all these things? We do the yoga practice in order to balance anything that could have gone out of balance. So most hatha yogic practices, what they say, nadi shuddhi paranga, nadi paranga. So the moment you start, they say, check the nadi. Why do we check the nadi? We say in the night time, a particular nadi runs. In the daytime, another nadi runs. But for another person, it might differ. It may not be the same. All fingerprints are not alike. There are so many things involved in it. Your karma is there. The food that we eat is there. The people with whom we meet has an effect. So many things. So, Ida and Pingala, when you do the Vilom, Anuvilom, the Sukha Pranayaman solvom. We are trying to balance. Now, look at it. Many times, and the naak, it will have a block. One side will work, the other side will not be so well. You know what is happening? So simple. Nama body our body is doing the pranayama. Don't think that if one side is blocked, you are out of balance. There is an auto system in our body. There's an auto immune system. There's an auto spiritual system. There's an auto karmic system. There are 5 koshas. Kosha means skin. Anamaya kosha, the body or that of the earth. The pranamaya kosha is what I am discussing now. You have the manomaya kosha or the layer of the mind. You have the vinyanamaya kosha, the layer of Veda and science. And then you have the Anandamaya kosha, the 5 koshas. We have 5 fingers. Panchabhutas. And we say earth, water, air, fire and space. Some siddhas, some gurus will attribute air to space. But I would like to position it as, you move from the concrete to the abstract. So if I take space as the most abstract, and in space you have got the fireballs like the stars. So I'll say space, fire, what stars you see. Followed by the prana, the air, and all aspects of energy. Followed by water. I'm going to have an exclusive video on water. Then earth, your food. What the Mahas and Sadgurus all say. The body is food. So let me come back before you wonder what this man is trying to say. All I'm saying is your body is already in yoga, and any imbalance that happens, there is an auto system, and the nose block happens, which means if your right nostril is getting blocked, it simply means it is trying to do the blockage and trying to alter the breath. Now, before I complete this video and go on to the next, you need a break. I know we can't have the attention span. So I will just tell this one point. Yoga is not acrobatics. You have people across the globe who can bend it like Beckham. Okay? In that case, a circus gymnast must be in perfect yoga. Yoga is the union of the 5 Panchabhutas, which I'm going to reveal out. But the word of caution that I'm telling you is, without practice of pratihara, anyone who gets into yogic practices of interfering into the bodily systems and into the cosmic systems, without pratihara means self-regulation, ganniyam, kadamai, kattupadu. And the self-regulation, without that self-regulation and self-purification, yoga, you will have all the benefits. But if pratihara is not followed, a simple thing, the end result will be like Ravana. Pratihara gives the balance and tells us what to choose, what not to choose. So Ravana was a great master. He knew in and out about yoga, but the end result was, you know what happened. So pratihara, I'm leaving you with this message. Learn what is pratihara: self-regulation, self-purification, self-awareness. It's not just the body cleanliness, but the pratihara balances the space element. No hate, no revenge. Today the world we are facing, this is a crusade. I'm so sorry for what happened in Visakhapatnam. What is happening around the globe, the corona. It is terrible. So we have started Hope 18. We want to set and help move things in the right direction. Self-purification, pratihara is the point where I'm breaking off with you now. If you like this video, do say like, else give your comments, put your questions. We are ready to take all questions, any questions on this subject. And don't forget to press the subscribe button. Hope 18 for you. Jai Gurudev.